Time for another unboxing video. I have two packages. Anyway, I just want to see what's in them. I just want to see what's in them real fast. Yada yada yada. Oh yeah, tell making this Happy Halloween. I might have this all about Halloween. We will see. We will see. I want to say it doesn't matter, but let's just open this first one up. Mail time, mail time. Nope, can't think of much else to say. I can always go on how I like to go trick-or-treating. Oh man, I started back in my 20s, even though I'm like 36. I still like to go trick-or-treating. Just for the candy. Just for the candy. I always forget to go early and miss for the candy. You really are stuck in there. It's like, damn. Must tear out packaging. I bet there's probably a better way I could do this instead of just destroying the bottom like this. Doesn't this thing slide out? Nope. March one of these packages can totally not be for me. Be like a box of medication or something like that. What'd you got? I don't know what's that plastic is in there. They can only give you two choices to get this out the pocket. You have to really destroy this. Maybe this comes out like this. Forgive me, Boxatron. So we're destroying it. Let's get it out. We have controller. Ooh, wireless PlayStation 4 controller. Yeah, I got another one. Yeah, I got another wireless PlayStation 4 controller. Yep, that's it. Man, the first time I went trick-or-treating was when I was like by myself. Was when I was like 22 without a costume. Then I got a costume. So yeah, I'm probably one of those otakus, one of those needs who sits around without a job who would gladly take your kids trick-or-treating. I'm mostly trick-or-treat because there ain't shit to do. Besides, it feels fun running around gathering up candy. What's this other package? Your guess is as good as mine. It's limited edition Disgaea. It's a limited edition of Disgaea. It is the limited edition of Disgaea. It's a limited edition of Disgaea 4 complete. I didn't know what the hell this was like. It's like, holy shit, man! Nitro Nichi store delivers. I didn't know what it was because they didn't have like a package on here, so. I think I'll do the limited edition second. Ooh, controller, limited edition. In some case, thingy-majiggy, and some cup holder thing, thingy-majiggy, some doodad or gadget. So, okay, first the controller. It's like, I don't know, I kind of was expecting a bigger box. It didn't say niche. Sort of like, I was like, oh, that's what that is. Like, Nothing much going on in my life. Besides not having idea what those packages is. The reason why I bought another controller that was turbo is the first controller I got. That was an Android controller that works on PC, PlayStation 4, but It didn't have all the buttons. It didn't really have all the buttons necessarily working. Yep. Ooh, look, it's a wired PlayStation 4. It's actually shaped like a PlayStation 4 controller. It should be shaped. It has the buttons. I wonder how I press the button. Nothing. There's probably no power. There is probably no power to it. Put the controller down. A USB. Ooh, look, a USB charging cable. Could always use one of those. And instructions. Does it work better than the last one? Yeah. It's a PlayStation 4 wireless DualShock. Wireless DualShock. Now for the limited edition. Let's open up this first. This is caution, do not bang coaster. This is I don't know what it is. They don't say this. This is caution. This is a caution out there. Looks like a cup holder. This looks like a cup holder or something. It's plastic. This is like a cup holder. It looks like something else. I don't know what it is. You can always say it's a really big pog. You can always say it looks like a really big. It just looks like a really big cup holder. Now limited edition. For home device blue. PlayStation. Ugh. It should be a PlayStation 4 limited edition, unless I somehow got the wrong version of it. This game's rated T14. Yeah, that's the only reason you're gonna see that. I guess you can see on the front too, but nothing. It's like open this up, go get candy. Open this up, go get candy. Did I mention I'm gonna go get candy? Damn, I did not mean to tear it in half. Actually, I know it's a PlayStation 4. I'll be surprised I got the Switch version of it. There are two limited versions. I can buy the Switch version and that version of it. No, you don't shake that free. You don't shake that free. First, I'll slice the soundtrack. I guess the soundtrack is Disgaea 4 limited edition soundtrack. And it's remastered. Oh, great. Not original OSTs. It's a remastered soundtrack. Oh, great. Oh, great. It doesn't have the original Disgaea 4 music on it. It's remastered. Ah! No, I think it's just one disc. I hate remastered soundtracks. I really hate this blasted hangnail on my damn finger. Anyway, fuck having this shit right there. Each one is peel it off anyway. I was hoping this be Disgaea 4 soundtrack. Said there'd be ribbons. Disgaea 4 Unforgotten Melody soundtrack. Composed by some. Yep, contains one disc. Man, you think CDs would have been out of fashion, but no. I was just hoping to be the original Disgaea 4 soundtrack. It says whatever falls out, I will unbox next. Okay. I'm just curious. What's in here? Nothing. Nothing. I think this was just holding the. I think this was just holding the game and just slid out. Or this. I think it was just holding the game. So I think it was just holding the limited edition art box. Game. Video game. Man, I love that brand new smell. Too bad it fades away the moment you take out the packaging. It's like that scent. It's like that scent. Too bad YouTube doesn't have smell of it, you know what? Nope, it is definitely a PS4 version. The physical game. The game case. It says a promise of standard edition of Disgaea 4 Complete Edition. PlayStation 4, that's about it. I really was not expecting in that box. Here's a fun fact: if you flip this around, put it backwards, you get this. You get the original Disgaea 4. You get the original Disgaea 4. You get the original Disgaea 4 artwork. It says flip backwards. At least you just want like looking at Disgaea 4 complete. By complete, I hope it means all this DLC. Then it's not really complete anyway. Think about like has Borderlands Game of the Year edition. It has all the content already in the game. Oh, this is slid out here. I think they're like cards. My finger. My finger. I didn't know about limited edition for the longest time because I don't know, they're just not talked about that much. Limited edition or something you only know about, you only have the internet. I don't know, they just don't talk about this shit online. They just don't talk about limited editions. Oh, that card, that fish. It's a sardine. I remember playing this guy before. This guy right here is obsessed with sardines. He has truly the power of sardines. I played on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 3, the PlayStation 3 version, so I know he's obsessed with sardines. Yep, like I thought, he's still obsessed with sardines. Cool poster to put up on the wall. It's a fold-out poster. Here, I know what you want to see. You want to see the art book. The deluxe guide for the Forsaken. I always show out the art book. Ugh. Yes. No. Go away. It's that one girl, fallen angel sent to destroy the Overlord, but she doesn't do it. She fails in her mission. A cat girl. Another playable character. Sorry, I'm not taking the time to read her names. Oh, the classes, the mages, the witch, the premies, dude. The gunner. Mask hero. Who's inspired by Premi. Sorry, you can't see all that. I don't know, I just have to book. I'm just looking from the side anyway. A new character, a new chapter. It's Disgaea 4 complete, not Disgaea 4 remastered. Angel face. Cleric. You're evil and must be destroyed. Bonus artwork. I think artwork you could just find. I can find the game. It even has where it's from anyway. I don't know. It's just artwork. It's just artwork. I guess maybe they might put it in the game as a special gallery section, dude. Kind of making this art book just kind of, kind of have no point anyway. I don't know. All my limited editions are iffy store, iffy store, iffy store, iffy store, iffy store. I bet you the iffy store probably have some Halloween sale, but those bathing suits. I don't think most people would probably schedule and see if it was in our book. Wow! I think this game also has a female Laharo when Laharo first appeared as a girl. Speaking of Laharo. All is for my lord. Okay. I want to say Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, but I forget. I didn't get that far in Disgaea 4. I mostly played Disgaea 3. For game industry, Nisa. There is a lot of bonus art to Disgaea 4 I did not know about. I just shove only in this book. There is a lot. I mean, a lot of this stuff. Well, background sketches. And storybook art. Well, that's it. That's the end of the book. I am probably going to go cut this thing off my finger because it is driving me bonkers if I don't do it anyway before I do anything else. I will see you during the next unboxing video.